If you are wanting to get more protein into your diet, then today's video is a really great way that you'll be able to achieve that. I'm talking all about edamame beans, and I'm showing you two different ways to present them. Protein is really important, especially as we age. If you're a similar age to me, it's really important for maintaining muscle mass and bone health, and it's also got some other health benefits to it. But those are the main reasons. So we need to be looking, often it is an area that women really fall short on, not having enough protein in their diet and healthy fats, and that's why we might feel hungry or we haven't got the energy. So that's what I'm talking about today. My name is Wick Nixon from Wicked Wellbeing, and I'm all about healthy eating made easy. So edamame beans are soya beans, and there's two different ways that you can buy them. You can buy them shelled, or you can buy them in their shells. So I have got some in their shells here, and actually it's the Mama Sands brand. What I'm not, they're from China, so I prefer to stay away from products that are from China. However, I cannot find any other ones that are from a different country. So if you know of other edamame beans that are from another country like Thailand or somewhere else, then I would absolutely love to know. But I just love cooking with them and having them always in the freezer. So you can buy them in their shells, or you can buy them shelled, which is what I've already got here. So I'm going to show you two different ways to use them. So easy, and great snacks, great form of protein, especially if you're vegan or vegetarian. So I'm going to do the ones in their shells first. So you don't eat the shells, you just eat the peas, the soybeans. So I'm just going to put some into a bowl here. Put that aside. You keep them in the freezer. You find them in the freezer section at the supermarket. I'm going to give a little drizzle of sesame oil. I've got some chopped up garlic here, so I'm going to sprinkle that over the top. I'm going to give it a good grinding. My daughter loves edamame beans. It's just a great little snack for her. So a good grinding of salt and pepper, and then I put a little sprinkling of chili flakes. All you do is throw that in the microwave for like 3 or 4 minutes. Done. Snack ready. Perfect protein hit. So tell me, if you are watching me, do you already cook with edamame beans? Is it something that you have in the freezer and you love, or is this something that is new to you? I'd really like to know. So really great if your kids get home from school and they need a snack, and leave off the chili, and just so simple. As I say, you don't eat the shells. You might have seen them at Japanese restaurants. Now the next one I'm going to make is a edamame rocket and walnut dip. So if you haven't got rocket, you could swap it out with spinach or kale or something different. All I've done is I have blanched some edamame beans in some boiling water for about 5 minutes, drained off the water. I have lightly toasted some walnuts. I've got a clove of garlic there. I've got some fresh rocket leaves out of my garden, which is beautiful. I'll tell you how to make it dairy-free, because this is a dairy-free version. I have got some beautiful lime, which is fantastic because limes and lemons are absolutely in season at the moment, which is amazing. So I've done some lime juice. I've got a couple of, as Jamie Oliver would say, a couple of lugs of olive oil, good grinding of salt and pepper. So for those of you who have just joined me, I am making a edamame rocket and walnut dip, and it is absolutely divine. Now, the way to make this dairy-free, if you don't, you can eat dairy, put some Parmesan cheese in there. If not, this is nutritional yeast flakes. Tell me, have you worked with nutritional yeast flakes before? So those just give they're a vegetarian, vegan form of cheese. Okay? And then all I'm going to do is blend it up. Now I can't quite see questions. I can see questions are there, but I will answer them afterwards. And then just have a little bit of a taste test. Does it need more oil? Does it need some more lemon or lime juice? Does it need some more nutritional yeast flakes? And then that is it. 2 ways, really simple and quick ways to use edamame and to get them into your diet for a higher protein hit. If this is the sort of thing that you like being introduced to, you like it when someone else takes the lead, introduces you to ingredients that you don't know about, but you know are great to introduce into your diet, this is exactly what I do in the Wicked Healthy Tribe. Both of these recipes are out of the Wicked Healthy Tribe. It's my online health and wellbeing membership where I do the research, I do the hard work for you, I test all the recipes, and those that I know that you're going to love go into the membership for you to try and make it easy at home. My doors are open at the moment, but they do close tomorrow night for the final time this year. And it's all about, it's recipes, it's meal plans, it's inspiration, it's education, it's community and camaraderie with other like-minded women who are all on a similar health journey but supporting each other along the way. So if you want to find out more about that, head to wickedwellbeing.com WHT. Let me do the hard work for you and show you how to make healthy eating easy. And that's what it's all about. But it's also about being in a supportive environment with other women who are doing it at the same time as you. So I'll put the link in the comments box below, but it's wickedwellbeing.com/WHT. And I've got an amazing, if you join annually, I've got an amazing health pack worth $150, which is so worth it. You get a free copy of my cookbook and another something to cry about health pack and a free one-on-one 30-minute session with me to get you kick-started. So if that is something that is of interest to you, we would love to welcome you into the tribe. But anyway, thanks so much for joining me today. I hope this has given you some inspiration, and I'll put the link in the comments box below. Take care and have the fabulous rest of your day.